Jumatatu kiroko na bururi waruka gutungwo ni riboti cia kieha. Riboti cia kuhuruka kwa Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya kuyana motungata ma thimu ya Safaricom Bob Collymore.
Bob Collymore nimetoka maju.
Collymore uri urari na ukuru wa miaka 61 ahurukire mathaa-ini ma thaa inyanya na nuthu cio utuku wa gukio umuthi kurumirira ndwari ya miaka 2 ya kansa ya thakame.
It's not what we've been expecting, but we have to accept reality.
Kambuni ya Safaricom kugera muikariri giti wa bodi yayo Nicholas Ng'ang'a nishakaite gikuu giki ikiuga arari mutongoria urendete wira wake urendete aria marithi wake no rai na kioreki kinene gia kambuni iyo.
He was aware of what was happening to him. He was at peace and he was ready. So when this happened, it was at home with the close members of his family.
Gikuu giake gigiuka mweri umwe tu mbere ya guthira gwa kandarathi yake na kambuni ino, undu uria ucungiriirie bodi ino kuga ni gutabania cikaro cia hina hi gwethorio kuyuri ithenya riri ona gutuika ni hithurite ndirari na mubango wa gwetha wa kuyuri ithenya riu ica ikuhi.
We will be giving the way forward, hopefully later today or in the next 24 hours.
Collymore uria ni raia kuma bururi-ini wa Guyana uria uri muhuro wa ngwataniro ya mabururi ma Amerika agitanywo gukahurukio muthenya wa rucio guku bururi-ini igongona-ini ria andu a hakuhi. Thutha ucio igongona ria kumuririkana rigatabanio aramithi kana gatano ga kiumia giki. Kinyagia gikuo giake ni aramuritwo ta mumemba bodi-ini ya thukuru wa mathomo ma kansa bururi-ini. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta, munini wake William Ruto na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga magitongoria Kenya gucakaya gikuo giake. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitaga Mau wa Mwangi.